Question 9b is about solving the differential equation, accept value. So first I move the y variable to one side and the x variable to the other side. And then do the integration. Very simple. And the result is a negative natural log 4 minus y equals x over 10. But c, first tackle the constant c, substitute the number in, so we have a negative natural log 4 minus 2 equals c, so c equals negative natural log 2. Well done. And then substitute it back and then move the negative side to the right hand side. So natural log 4 minus y equals negative x over 10 plus natural log 2. And then take exponential for both sides. Left hand side becomes 4 minus y. And the right hand side, okay, becomes e to the power negative x over 10. And then e to the power natural log 2. So 4 minus y equals 2e exponential x over 10. And change the subject to y. And you get the result. The answer for B, okay. Well done. So don't stop here, don't stop here. C is easy. Remember we have the approximate value here. So, and then find the absolute value of the error. So this one minus that one, right? So it is 2.098. Remember you make a force figure is absolute. And then plug in the data 0.5, right? So minus 4 minus 2 negative exponential negative 0.5 over 10, so 0.05, right? So by some calculation, try. You get the result. When you find the result, you find not enough accuracy, right? Because they are so close. So you add some more number in, you get it back from the calculator, okay? 199. By this and you get it is 0.000 479 fees in the figure. Sometimes it's like this, especially when you're calculating the teeny tiny error. Maybe you need more accuracy, but at first just try force in figure, right? And later on you can copy all the things you did back, okay? You can use your calculator to trace back the value. Don't you worry? Well done.